Hukumat Dharmendra Ji's. I read Dharmendra Ji's character, and in Agnipath in Tamil, I read Amitabh Ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanirani Sa's character I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very...
They say so much about him. He's loved everywhere.
But I don't have any combination with... Oh, Solriya Mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films. Yeah. So, and of course, the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity. Producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're so incredibly humble. There were so many vows when you were saying the roles that you had done. Sometimes in this current day and age, you know, when we have one reel going viral, people start saying, look at how humbly you said. It's a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I think we all learned a little bit about cinema history today, standing sir with you. So really humbling to be on stage with you also. But there's nothing wrong that you can do sometimes, Rashmi. Can I say it? You know why? Because a lot of people become stars. You're still so chilled, still so humble. I was seeing a video the other day. You asked the paps, "Aur kitna videos loge mera?" Same hi to main lag rahi hu. You know, it was beautiful. But that's how it's been. The last couple of years has been fantastic for you. Do you sometimes just, are you in shock or what is it going? Yes, of course, everyone puts in the same amount of effort. You're watching all your films and different kinds of films also, you know. So it must be a fantastic period. What do you, like, what is the thought process now? What are you thinking?
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
Do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is
That's
our
your
hearts
shot.
to you. We should get everyone to do it.
Now the paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. वो ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just, every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time.
Listen,
not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them, because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like, the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well. You know, and congratulations on this. And I think your good luck charm will continue to run with this also. That's what Salman sir, Murugadas sir and Sajid sir are also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir. But, you know, you've got this incredible friendship with Salman sir, you know, and you understand what the audience wants. You know, it's both ways. You know, it's a very fine line at balancing what the audience wants. We were discussing so many things. These numbers, you know, for the public it's different. For you as a producer, it really is nerve-wracking sometimes, you know. Yes, everyone expects these massive numbers all the time, but when you're out there, you're picking the dates, you're picking the kind of script, you're picking, you know, even in this case, calling Rashmika. Just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know. Every time they say Friday decides our career. We are not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday. I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate. Thank you.
But simple, now you've seen the film. वो होता है कि first shot में, वाह, I love it. No. As a producer, also, as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say, yes, it worked for me?
The short, you're asking short?
No, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah.
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah.
Any more cuts left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 days shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी.
So, sir, continue.
Continue now. Continue.
So he, Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I've done this film for you all.
Yeah. That
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
Oh,
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, one last shot, sir. 3 shots are left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahid sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also. for
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
our shooting was part will be like.
Shooting also was like this. We'll come to Sharman. Sharman, good to see you back, brother. This is fantastic. I was reading a story how, you know, it's always like that. He just has such a large heart, you know, and Salman sir is there. You know, it always. I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean, now just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You know, you look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadoss sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, like, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one, but I experienced it for the first time and I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So, yeah, thank you.
Salman sir, but this film has a lot of action also, you know.
It has everything.
You have to
Has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika is singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice, what you liked
The
most?
best part I liked of the trailer was like the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right? Who knows his full song? Who knows his full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो रात नहीं रात
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw
See,
it?
I think all of them are fantastic and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2 and we were there and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then after she breaking her leg, she is still short with us. Didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image
Hey,
also.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Well, taliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics. And we want you want that, right? That picture. Everyone over here should do that little picture. We'll take the mics. Yeah. Okay, everyone with the... Sir, it's a art, it's a art. Okay. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you so much, Sajid sir. Let's produce music. Accept it. One sec. This is one for music. Let's do that. One sec, one sec. Rashmika, we're going to the other two theaters. There are fans in the other theaters, so to meet them. Sir, one solo. Just one second. One second.